Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about the order of adverbs. Let's get started. Remember that an adverb is a word or set of words that modifies verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Now, usually, adverbs modify verbs, telling us how often, when, or where something was done. Have a look at the example over here. We walked really slowly. Now there are two adverbs in the sentence, really and slowly. The adverb slowly modifies the verb walked, telling us how we walked. And the adverb really modifies the other adverb slowly, and it tells us how slowly we walked. As adverbs are used to modify verbs, adjectives, other adverbs, phrases, clauses, or even entire sentences, they are able to function nearly anywhere in the sentence, depending on their type and what it is they are modifying. Now, if we use more than one adverb to describe a verb, there is a general order in which the different categories of adverbs should appear, sometimes called the royal order of adverbs. First comes manner. Second comes place. Third, frequency. Fourth, time. And fifth, purpose. Now, adverbs of manner tell us how something happens, how someone does something, or give character to a description. Have a look at the example over here. Alice sings beautifully. Now, the adverb of manner beautifully in the sentence tells us how Alice sings. Adverbs of place tell us about an aspect of location associated with the action of a verb, specifying the direction, distance, movement, or position involved in the action. Have a look at the example over here. We looked upwards at the fireworks. Now, the adverb of place, upwards, specifies the direction involved in the action, looked. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. Have a look at the example over here. Peter goes abroad twice a year. The adverb of frequency, twice a year, tell us how often Peter goes abroad. And adverbs of time tell us when or for how long something happens or is the case. Have a look at the example over here. They've been dating for 4 years. Adverbs of purpose tell us why something happens. Have a look at the example over here. The dress is handcrafted and hence expensive. Now, the adverb of purpose, hence, in the sentence tell us why the dress is expensive. Now, adverbs indicating the attitude and point of view of the speaker or writer usually go at the beginning, as in the example over here. Actually, I don't want to go there. Here's a short story following the order of adverbs. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. We hardly ever meet up. When are you free this weekend? Honestly, I don't know. We have a huge project at work and my boss wants everything to be perfect. So, as you can imagine, we are working overtime. Gosh, it doesn't sound great. Do you sleep 8 hours a day at least? I usually sleep 5 hours a day. I also need to do some household chores to keep my place clean. I'll give you a call next week, okay?